Morning, beautiful people. I got Milo out. I just took Killer and then Big Didi out, so I only got him and Kane left. Probably finish closing this today if I can. Right, boy? Real cold, real windy. Ooh-wee. Feel like the weather just switched so fast. This is why we can't keep reptiles outside down here. I don't know why I thought it'd be summertime weather 24/7, but I've been hearing even Florida be having to put their reptiles up at night, so I guess it ain't sweet nowhere. Anyways, out walking the dogs. It's about 6:30. Freezing cold, man. Like, I came out here with just a hoodie on and no socks, and I had to go back in and gear up. The thing about the rain, though, is making all of this grow. So that's pretty cool. So I think my plan today is to cover this with fencing and cover this with fencing. Take this fencing down. This guy just be too excited. Uh-oh, poop time. Never mind. You got some kale and bananas. And then, same thing with my boy. Chico, what up, boy? Come on. You hungry? You just waking up, you might not be hungry. Oh no, that ain't true. Come on, boy. Calm down, Milo. Milo, calm down. Alright, the rain just stopped. So I'm gonna do the chores before it starts raining again. Let's get into it. Hey, Big. Hey, Big. Oh, you gonna bite me? You gonna bite me? Yesterday, this boy bit Anissa's foot. So, Big Boy might be going in the freezer camp instead of being a breeder. Come on, boy. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Yeah, come on. Come on. Oh. Good boy. I like that breeze. Still cold out here, but at least it ain't raining. So, I guess that's the upside. But after this, I'm gonna feed the dogs and then probably work on that fence. Since yesterday we had to go to the vet and it ended up getting real hot, real fast. Ooh, it's muddy. It's muddy. It's wet. Oh. He's keeping up with me. Oh. And this will actually be the last day on these feeders. I'm gonna make them a big feeder where they can all put their head on. Probably right back there. It's gonna be real cool. Look who followed me in here. The killer herself. Good girl. Can't believe how green it's getting. Ooh, it's like a whole nother world once you go back there. Two baby goats, just a big goat now. Man, I just want to say, shout out to my white boy Dylan. Look at this pallet he gave us, y'all. I'm talking about this thing is pristine. It just got a little water on it. But man, this is a perfect pallet. I don't know if his name really Dylan, but boy, this pallet nice. Alright, man, so I just finished all of this. So it's officially done. Oh, officially done on that side. But my feet are cold, my nose is running. So it's about time. Woo. Getting bad out here. Also did these pallets. So I got enough to put all the way along here. Pretty good. There's little stuff to do while it's raining. We can go around and check on all the animals. I just gotta close this gate, then I'll get right back with you. Probably wasn't the best idea, but I switched my shoes to the Crocs just because they're not wet. But they're gonna be wet real soon. Probably like a minute or so. Woo. This boy got a swamp. Ain't got dry air like that. What's up, my dude? Oh. What's up, dude? Tubbs the only goat out eating. All of these boys is in here. Y'all stay warm now. Damn, Winston dry as heck. Uh-oh. And then we can check on the emu if you ever wonder. Do birds like the rain? Most birds don't. But these boys, are really pretty much indestructible at around this age. They just hit the age. Stanley's birthday gonna be in a few days. Actually, it'll be a year old. But they just hit the age where not much can kill them anymore, not much can hurt them. They can stand weather up to negative 30 degrees, 40 degrees, and they can stand super extreme heat. And as y'all know, we do got a shelter for them all the way down there. But if you know anything about emu, they don't like being in shelters at all. They would literally sit out here, and now they're soaked. But if it's just a medium to a little bit of rain, these feathers are made so that, look at, their skin is super dry on the inside. The rain will just wash right off and slide right off their feathers. It's real cool, man. And yeah, they just come out in any weather and be them in any weather. And it's never too cold for them and never too hot for them, especially where I live. Because, man, Australia gets way hotter than Georgia. Woo! Way hotter. Man, here go the reptile room. Chico done completely messed everything up. I'm gonna clean this up real quick.